Hi, it's Bruce from Argo Yachting. Today is the start of our spring promotion on the Galeon Demonstrators. We have 5 Galeon yachts here at Swanwick Marina that have either been used for display purposes or as our demonstrators, and they are now going to be offered with a substantial discount. All these boats are available for immediate delivery. They will also have the full 5-year Argo Assured warranty. So starting with the 560 Fly, this boat is offered with a saving of $455,000. It's a fantastic 3-cabin boat with a crew cabin, large flybridge, and the beach mode with the balconies. Next is the Galeon 510 Sky with the innovative closing flybridge and sunroof. This boat also has a tender garage and the carousel seating and is offered with a saving of £260,000. Next on the list is the 480 Fly. This is a 3-cabin flybridge boat, again with the balconies, shaft drive this time, and with a saving of £264,000. 450 HTC is next up. This is a coupe boat, hardtop, opening roof, IPS drive, 3 cabins, with a saving of £212,000. Lastly, the 440 Fly, a fantastic 3-cabin flybridge yacht with IPS 650s and the beach mode, going to be offered with a saving of £224,000. So to summarise, the spring promotion begins today, Friday the 27th of March, and will run through the whole Easter and spring boat show period. All 5 boats are currently here at Swanwick. The 510 will be departing for the Palmer Boat Show in a couple of weeks. Our offices are open 7 days a week. Full broker walkthroughs, photo presentations and the specification, including the price and the reduced price, are available at argoyachting.com.